Today we want to show you proper prep and common troubleshooting for your JMA RP240 Compression Tool. First, make sure your batteries are fully charged before inserting. This is a simple step, but you really want to avoid running out of battery in the field. Next, check the roller area for any debris that might cause a jam. Insert the frame set into the rigid tool and lock the set pin into place. If you push down the power button and see a blinking red light, that means the set pin isn't fully locked. If the rollers have started to travel, you won't be able to fit the connector into the frame set. Simply push and hold the black release button here, and pressure will be relieved on the rollers. You can now load the connector into the frame set and compress. These simple, fast, and reliable preparation and troubleshooting steps will help ensure the longevity and field readiness of your JMA compression tools.